Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be my unboxing, review, and installation of the DBrand Darkplates for the PS5. Now, I have no problem with the original white that the PlayStation 5 comes in, but I did miss the stealth look of an all-black console. So once DBrand decided to go against Sony's wishes and sell their own PS5 faceplates, I had to get one. The Darkplates right now go for $70 for both the disc and digital edition, and since they're so popular, shipping is a little bit delayed. I had to wait a little bit over a month for it to be delivered, but I gotta say it was definitely worth the wait. It looks awesome, and alongside the Midnight Black PS5 DualSense controller, it looks even better. You can also buy a decal for the center of the console, but I decided to keep it decal free and only install the Darkplates. I just really like the look, and it will be really nice to swap between white and black PS5 plates every so often. But anyways, let's back this video up a bit to the very beginning where it all started, the unboxing. Okay, so here is the DBrand box that the faceplates are inside of. It's actually pretty cool. You can see there's like little robot logos, toxic symbols, some biohazard signs, and some other symbols, and I think it's a really cool subtle touch to the box. That's the side there, and it just folds open like this. Inside we can see DBrand's social media accounts, so if you want to follow them, go ahead. They do post some pretty awesome stuff, especially on Instagram. Then we've got a little thing here that says purchase, delivered, and install, so we just go to this website here and get the instructions on how to put it on the PS5. But the moment we're all waiting for, the actual Darkplates themselves, let's take a look. Ooh, that looks fire. I cannot wait to put that on my PS5. It's a little bit dirty, but that's fine. I can clean that up. Look at that nice matte black finish. This is gonna look sick. It's gonna look like a Batman themed PS5 or something. Oh my god, that looks so cool. So on the inside here, we can see all of the components that are going to click onto the PS5, and this is going to be the inside of the faceplate here. So you can see they changed it up from what Sony's looks like, because Sony's has the PlayStation symbols on here, and obviously DBrand can't do that. So they put their own images on the inside of the plate here, which is actually the same images that we saw on the box earlier. So that's actually a really nice touch by DBrand. Like, they definitely didn't need to do that. They could have easily just made this matte black and people would have bought it. But yeah, I am pretty impressed with that. So that's the right side. Now on to the left here. So this one, let's see. Let's take it out of the box. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Nice matte black. Woo! I can't wait to put this on my PS5. This one's definitely got a lot more clips on it, but anyways, let's go ahead and go to that website and find out how to install these bad boys. Alright, so I'm on DBrand's website right now, and I can see right here it says PlayStation 5 Disc Edition. That's the one that I got. You can also get it in digital. But anyways, let's go ahead and click that so we get a whole video, which is awesome. I thought it was going to be like some kind of IKEA instructions where it's like, you know, 100 steps and just really vague and not very good. Now, I gotta say, this is actually really good quality. Like, I know a lot of people will buy some cheaper ones, maybe on like eBay or something, but for the price of the DBrand Darkplates, you're definitely getting something a little bit higher quality. Now, one thing you might notice is that the PlayStation 5 button isn't on the faceplate. Now, obviously that's for legal reasons, of course, but I gotta say I'm really impressed with these so far. And yes, I would have liked a PlayStation 5 button on there, but hey, whatever. Definitely not a deal breaker. Alright, so now on to the part that I'm really nervous about, actually taking off the original faceplates here. I'm just terrified that I'm going to like snap it in half and then I'll never have the white PlayStation ones to ever use again. So I'm gonna try to do this pretty carefully. So in the video it said to lift the PlayStation button, lift it up and slide it. It's not really moving though. I don't know if there's supposed to be a noise or something. I don't know, let's give this a try. Oh, okay. Just pops right off like that. Nothing got broken in the process. That's all that I care about. So boom, that's one side. Okay, and for side number 2, they basically said just do the same thing. So just lift right here. I'm just so nervous I'm gonna break this thing. Ow! Get out! Get off of my PlayStation! There we go. Nice and easy. Plate number 2 is off. This thing looks so ugly without the plates on, so let's go ahead and make it look pretty again by putting the Darkplates on here. It's like a chiropractor, just snap it into place. All right, for the second side now, and just exhale, and there we go. got the whole Batman aesthetic going now. We've got Batman Arkham Knight over there. We've got the black Batman looking PS5 with the midnight black controller. It's a really nice look, and I'm glad that the PS5 is now finally in black. So guys, that's pretty much it for the DBrand Darkplates. I gotta say, I am a very happy customer. The Darkplates turned out great. The nice matte black finish, everything looks like it was made from Sony themselves. Even the little details on the inside of the plastic here. Like I said earlier in the video, DBrand didn't have to put that attention to detail into play with the Darkplates, but the fact that they did makes me respect them a little bit more. And I gotta say, the all black look looks fantastic, especially alongside the midnight black DualSense controller. There's a frontal view, there's a side with the disc tray here, and then we'll take a look from the back right here as well. It honestly looks like an official black PS5. Like, that's how good of a job that DBrand did with these plates. And like I said earlier in the video, if you guys do want to pick one up for yourself, I definitely recommend to. The quality is really good on these dark plates, and it's really going to change the look of your PS5. And I know a lot of people have been waiting for an official black one, but this is the next best thing. Honestly, whenever Sony does release an official black PS5, I feel like it's going to look pretty much identical to what this looks like right now, except with the Sony official symbols on the inside. I can't really see them changing much else. This thing is awesome and definitely worth the $70 in my opinion. So if you guys do want to pick it up, make sure you place an order now, because you probably will be waiting around a month to a month and a half. But yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like and subscribe. Also, I'm going to be leaving a link down below right to DBrand's website where you guys can pick one up if you want one. And also let me know down below in the comments what you think about the Darkplates. Do you think it's worth it? Because in my opinion, I definitely think it is. But yeah, anyways, that's the end. Thank you again for watching. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.